Hi everyone, welcome to this follow-up video comparing the uses of materials to their properties. Now before we get started, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And if you haven't done so already, before you start watching this video, click on the link in the top right hand corner which will show you some examples and how to answer them. Right, what we're going to do is go through a series of questions. I'm going to ask you to pause the video, have a go at the question, and then when you're ready we'll go through and you can see how you've done. Right, let's go through. So this one says, crisp packets are often made from polypropylene, coated with a thin layer of aluminium on the inside. Polypropylene is a polymer made from the monomer propylene. The aluminium coating can be replaced by a very thin layer of material called a nanosheet. A nanosheet is made from amino acids and is less than 100 nanometers thick. Explain why the nanosheet layer will be better than aluminium as a coating for crisp packets. So to answer this, they've given you a clue in the question. They've told you the fact that the nanosheet is less than 100 nanometers thick. So that's where you want to be focusing on. So what you're going to be talking about is you've got less material used, it's got a lower mass, it's lightweight, something like that. And then for the second mark, because this is an explain question, you've got to say why that's a good thing. It means that you're going to conserve resources. So you're not going to use as much, you're not going to run out of aluminium as quickly, so you're going to conserve our natural resources. On to the next question. Pause the video, have a go, and then when you're ready, click play. So we've got no table here, but we have got a question that says bottles can be made of polymers, such as polyethylene, and of glass. Give one advantage of a bottle made from a polymer rather than made from glass. So one of the things that hopefully we all realise is glass is brittle, so it's going to shatter, and that polymers aren't. Plastic doesn't shatter. So that's where I would be going with this one. The other thing that you could say is it is lighter than glass, has a lower density. Have a go at this one now. So pause the video and then press play when you're ready. Right, let's go through. For this one, multiple choice, which property of glass makes it suitable for use in spectacles? So we go through, we rule out the ones that it's not. So glass does not conduct electricity, well that's true. Is that useful in spectacles though? No. It's a poor conductor of heat. Again, that's true, but is that useful in spectacles glasses? No. Glass is transparent. Transparent means you can see through it, so that, I think we're going to go with that one. If we look at D, it says glass shatters when dropped. Well, again, that's true, but that is not an advantage. So it must be C, glass is transparent. Okay, I've got one more for you. So pause the video, give it a go, and press play when you're ready. Right, let's go through. In this one, we've got a rather large table, so we've got lots of information to look at. And it says the table shows information about a glass, ceramic, polymer, and a metal. We've then got a diagram of a wire, and it says why is this wire made of metal. So hopefully from the information video you will have seen we're talking about electricity. So if we look at the four options, that's the one we're going to be going for. Metal is hard, metal reacts with water, metal is an element. They are not useful properties when we're talking about a wire. So we're going to be going with D, the metal conducts electricity. Now there is a follow-up question which says which type of material would be most suitable for the insulation of this household wire, and you've got an option between glass, ceramic, polymer and metal. So it's multiple choice, so you're going to choose one. If it was a 2-marker and explain one, you would have to say why. So if we look at all the properties, your glass is not very flexible. You want wires to be flexible, so it's definitely not going to be that one. Your ceramic is not very flexible either, so we're probably going to be with polymer. Metals are flexible, but you don't want to go with that because they conduct electricity, and the whole point of an insulator is it's meant to protect you from being electrocuted. So we want something that's low electrical conductivity and flexible, which our polymers are. So the correct answer for this one is C. So, how did you get on? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're up for it, have a go at the review question on the screen now. The answer will be in the description, so let me know how you did. Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click on like down below. You can also subscribe to my channel, you can check out the latest video, and you can visit my website up above here. Bye now.